In this video, I'm going to show you a super simple progression you can use for your first talk music and preacher chords if you've never played them before in the key of C. My name is Christine, and here at the Gospel Method, I want to give you all the tools that you need to play your favorite gospel songs on piano. Make sure that you go over to thegospelmethod.com so you can get the download that we're going to be using today, as well as many more, and be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you don't miss any free tutorials. Now, we're going to jump right in today. This might look pretty simple, but this tiny little progression is going to transform the way that you play background music. Some people call it talk music, or backing up the preacher. All you need is this tiny little sheet, and you can do many things with it. I'm going to play through the second one for you so you can hear what it sounds like. This is the one that's in 3/4 time, and then I'm going to break it down, show you how it works, and how you can apply it in your services. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so that's the idea of it. There's a few different ways we can use it. We can do it more excited, which I did a little bit at the beginning there, and we can use it as more soft background music, and I'll show you how to do that as well. So first of all, let's learn our chords, and then we'll learn how we can move them around and dynamics and things like that to create the atmosphere we're looking for. So the first progression at the beginning there is in 4/4 time. The second one is in 3/4 time, totally your preference, whichever one feels more natural. I originally learned this progression in 4/4 time, and I just automatically changed it to 3/4. I found I could do it easier during service without really thinking about it. They're both the same chords, it's just different timing. So we'll do it in 4/4 first. The right hand is going to play your chord. The left hand will play the note. Okay, so we're going to go C / F / F sharp diminished. Now I'm playing F sharp diminished 7, but C, F sharp, and A. That's all you need for the F sharp diminished. If you want to make it a 7, you can add your E flat. Okay? / C / G over B. So G on the right hand, B on the left hand, A minor, G sus, so that's C, D, and G, G sus / G, so the only difference is I move my thumb down, so I have B, D, and G now, G, and then I'm having F on the top, C on the bottom, and then C. Now, if I want to repeat it over and over, I don't need to play this C right here. Okay, that's if I want to end it. If I want to repeat it, I would just go F over C, and then I would jump right back to the beginning. Okay, and that's the same for the 3/4. The 3/4 sounds like this. C / F / F sharp / C / G over B, A minor / G, or G sus / G / and then again F over C, and then you can either end it or repeat it. So getting that in your fingers first, just feeling the steady beat, and getting your chords, I'm using right hand inversions for the key of C. That's over in the free membership under Musician's Toolkit. So if you don't have that, there is a chart that shows you the easiest ways to get between all your different chords in the key of C. So I am using that for my right hand, and my left hand is just playing one note. So there's two different things you can do for this. Well, more than two, but two basic ones is if you're trying to be excited, okay? So someone's, giving a testimony, or you need something exciting in the background, you're going to play this progression. Again, I'm going to use the 3/4 one today, and you can roll or tremolo your left hand chord here. So you've got C, or I'm on A. C, okay? And your right hand can play the beat or just hold it and just count in your head. So you could go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And you can see how that creates excitement and movement, okay? I'll play it again so you can hear it with the slashes if you want to do that. 1, 2, 3. so that's two different options there. And then you can also play it really softly, you know, gently. Could be for maybe announcements. You're just kind of in the background. They want music, but they don't want anyone to notice you. You're kind of filling in space. You could play it, but really softly and gently. So like this. So it'd be like 1, 2. Maybe even roll your chords a little bit. You know, ladies' luncheon is this week at 2 p.m. on the Saturday. Bring a friend, right? You're just like filling in the background noise. And what I did with that one is I rolled the chord. We do have a video, if you check in our playlists, about rolling chords specifically, but I'm just taking that C and playing them one note at a time really quick, C, E, G. And then when I get to the F, I go C, F, A. And that makes it sound really pretty and gentle again. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And you're playing softer. Your left hand's just holding the notes. Okay, you could play octaves in the left hand or just one note. And it's just so pretty. All right, so one progression, two totally different sounds. Okay, and then one other one that you could do, use even more of like a shout sound, is accent them. Da, 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 da. But you need the drum to help you with that. Come on now, isn't God good? Yes, He's good. Maybe a little tremolo. Yes, yes. F, come on now. F sharp diminished. Come on. You get the idea, right? So one progression, but depending on the style that you're playing it, is going to give you 3 different options for the background music. All right, so give that a go. Learn the chords separately, and then try those different styles and get those different atmospheres in your playing. If you want more of this in all 12 keys, make sure you go over to the premiummembership.com. We're going to have a chart with this in all 12 keys, as well as intermediate tutorials, upper beginner tutorials with handouts. We've got a library of songs in all 12 keys that you can download. And then we also have a Zoom session once per month with myself. This is a live session where you can come and show me any questions that you have, show me your playing, or ask me anything about the videos on the membership. Yeah, it's a really reasonable month-to-month rate where you can support the channel and learn lots of stuff. There's all kinds of goodies in there. All right, if you haven't done so, be sure to subscribe to this channel, and we'll see you next time for some more gospel tutorials. Bye!